$9.9 7-day mining experience. Welcome to the WOYOU channel. WOYOU's mining farm has been online for 1 year. Now, our official website has undergone a major overhaul. Next, I will introduce to you the 4 new plans of WOYOU's self-operated mining farm. The first is aimed at novice miners who are still at the door. You can check out this $9.9 mining activity. Details will be discussed later. The second is the launch of the Buy Now, Pay Later activity. We offer an interest-free installment plan for mining machines. For the first installment, you only need to pay 20% of the machine's price. In the second month, pay 30%. In the third month, pay 50%. In the first month, to start your mining machine, you only need to pay 20% to begin mining. Specific electricity fees and activity details will be explained later. Another benefit of joining WOYOU Mining is our mining pool fee can be as low as 1%. Currently, most mining pools PPS plus fees range from about 3% to 4%, but WOYOU's fee can be as low as 1%. Even if you only host one machine, our mining fee remains at 1%. For example, if you mine 100 Bitcoins, then the pool fee would be 1 Bitcoin. If you mine at an external mining farm or at home, with a pool fee of 4%, for every 100 Bitcoins mined, you would have to pay for Bitcoins to the pool. By joining WOYOU, you can save 3 Bitcoins in profit for every 100 Bitcoins mined. First, you only need to spend $9.9 to choose between 2 options, LTC and Dogecoin, which provides 1 gigahashes per day, with earnings directly sent to your wallet. The second option is Bitcoin mining, providing 20 T of hash rate per day, whether you try Dogecoin or Bitcoin mining. The standard trial duration is 3 days. If you want to extend your trial duration, here are the specific rules. First, register on our webpage to add 1 extra day. Second, follow the WOYOU Miner YouTube channel, whether Chinese or English, to add 1 extra day. Third, watch our tutorial videos to gain 1 extra day. Join our Telegram group to gain 1 extra day of earnings. Essentially, this activity means that for just $9.9, you can get 1 gigahashes of Litecoin or Dogecoin, or 20 T of Bitcoin hash rate. It consists of 3 base days plus 4 activity days, making it a 7-day hash rate experience. The second section is the hosting plan from WOYOU Miner. In WOYOU's hosting section, we offer 2 discounted packages. One is a Bitcoin package, featuring the Bitmain S19 XP plus hide to 93T, offered at a fixed price of $2,719. This price includes all tariffs, shipping, and miscellaneous fees, the cost of the machine itself, and a 1-year extended warranty. The lowest electricity fee is $0.065 per kilowatt hours. If you want to host Litecoin or Dogecoin machines, you can refer to following 2 packages. The first is Antminer L9, 16 grams, at a fixed price of $5,929. The second machine is Elfpex DG1 plus 14 grams, at a fixed price of $4,829. Regarding the fixed price installment activity, its payment method, let me explain. Using the S19 XP plus 293T as an example, the fixed price of the machine is $2,719. Power consumption is 5,720 watts. If hosting fewer than 20 hydro cooling machines, the electricity fee is $0.069 per kilowatt hours. Then, our first payment would be $1,396.3088. This price covers the prepaid electricity fee for the first 3 months and 20% of the machine cost. The second payment is $815.7, which is 30% of the fixed price. In the third month, the final month, we need to pay $1,359.5, which is 50% of the fixed price. If you choose not to use the installment plan for this fixed price activity, the total payment would be $3,571.5088. Whether for this fixed price activity, you choose installment or direct payment, the total amount remains the same. We introduced this to help miners ease their payment pressure, so we created this installment payment activity. WOYOU's self-operated mining farm offers air cooling hosting at a unified starting electricity fee of $0.062 per kilowatt hours. Hydro cooling hosting starts at a unified electricity fee of $0.065 KWA. If you are interested, you can contact our official customer service for more consultation and information. The third business upgrade is hosting your own machines. As long as you own your own ASIC professional mining machine, we can provide a professional full hosting plan. The fourth section is cooperative mining farm construction. WOYOU's self-operated mining farm has been running for about a year. Our online rate is consistently above 96%. The advantage of partnering with WOYOU is we already have a very complete and mature supply chain for mining farm materials and a power solution. Friends with resources who want to build a mining farm, welcome to contact WOYOU customer service for the latest mining farm information and the most professional advice on building a mining farm. Let's summarize the four core businesses after WOYOU's self-operated mining farm went online. First, the $9.9 mining experience activity. This is an activity open to novice miners for trial. Second, WOYOU's discounted hosting plan activity. Third, if you have your own machines and want hosting, we can provide excellent service and a high online rate. Fourth, the cooperative mining farm construction plan. If this episode was helpful to you, welcome to click subscribe and ring the bell to avoid missing every episode of valuable content. See you next time.